In this video, we listed the 5 best mirror dash cams on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOLFBOX G850 Pro. The WOLFBOX G850 Pro is a high-performance car DVR designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance, featuring dual 4K cameras with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and a maximum video frame rate of 30 frames per second. It boasts a wide 170-degree view angle, night shot capability, and advanced features such as G-sensor, automatic white balance, and a built-in screen with a 12-inch IPS display. The device operates within a temperature range of -10 to 60 degrees Celsius and is powered by a corded electric source, with a 5-meter cable for flexible installation. It supports external memory cards ranging from 32 GB to 256 GB, with a maximum capacity of 128 GB, and stores footage in MP4 format using H.260 for video coding. Additional functionalities include loop cycle recording, audio recording, waterproof and anti-fog features, and real-time surveillance capabilities. The system is compatible with multiple languages and offers an internal GPS logger for tracking purposes. With a 1-year warranty and a weight of 1.3 kilograms, this portable recorder is an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced safety and monitoring on the road. Number 2. EKLEVA F40 Dash Cam. The EKLEVA F40 is a sophisticated 4-channel dashcam designed to enhance vehicle safety and monitoring, featuring an impressive 11.26-inch full-touch screen with a 4K front camera and 3 additional full HD cameras for comprehensive coverage. This device supports advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including lane departure warnings and blind spot detection, ensuring a safer driving experience. With loop cycle recording, built-in audio, and night vision capabilities, the F40 captures high-quality video at resolutions up to 3840 by 2160. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time viewing and video downloads via a mobile app, and offers 24-hour parking monitoring with a built-in G-sensor for detecting vibrations or collisions. The dashcam is equipped with a range of special features such as waterproofing, automatic white balance, and multiple display modes, making it a versatile tool for real-time surveillance and accident documentation. Additionally, it is compatible with memory cards up to 256 GB and comes with a 6-month warranty, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking enhanced security and peace of mind on the road. Number 3. TiESFONG M10 Max Dash Cam. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max Dash Cam is a high-performance car DVR with advanced features and a unique design. It supports 4-channel recording, allowing simultaneous recording from multiple lenses, including an optional rear camera, with a maximum resolution of 2K 1440p. Equipped with a Galaxy Core GC4653 Plus GC2053 imaging sensor and powered by an MSTAR chipset, it offers stable performance and clear recordings. Key features include 24-hour parking monitoring, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, Super IR night vision, wide dynamic range, WDR, loop recording, and GPS functionality. The device supports up to 256 GB of external memory using a Class 10 U3 or above TF card and includes a built-in microphone for sound recording. It is compatible with various power inputs, 12V, 24V, and offers options for car charger or hardwire kit installation. The dashcam is designed for versatility and safety, ensuring comprehensive monitoring inside and outside the vehicle. It comes with a variety of accessories and supports multiple languages, making it suitable for universal car use. Number 4. HAOGU Dashcam. The product is a car DVR, digital video recorder, manufactured by LINGDU, originating from mainland China, and certified with CE, FCC, GMP, and RoHS standards. It features a dual-lens setup with a 1/3 color CMOS imaging sensor and a rear camera. The camera resolution is 1280 x 720, with video recorded in AVI format using the MJPG codec at 25 frames per second. The device includes a 9.88-inch IPS display with a 16:9 screen ratio but does not support touch functionality. It offers special features such as a G sensor, digital zoom, motion detection, and compatibility with SD, MMC cards. The DVR supports memory cards with a Class 10 reading speed and a maximum external memory capacity of 64 GB. It is designed to be assembled as a rear-view mirror and has a built-in battery. The interface includes AV out, and its chipset is manufactured by HAOGU. The device supports multiple OSD languages, including English, Chinese, simplified and traditional, French, German, Czech, and Albanian. It does not include GPS logging capabilities but comes in its original package without high concern chemicals. Number 5. LINGDU LD03 Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD03 is a high-quality mirror dashcam equipped with dual detached front and rear cameras, offering FHD 1080p video recording with a 150 degrees wide-angle lens for comprehensive road coverage. It features an IPS 12-inch touchscreen display, built-in GPS for accurate route tracking, and essential functionalities like loop recording, G-sensor, night vision, and parking monitoring, requires a hardwire kit. The device supports up to 128 GB external memory and includes a 64 GB Class 10 U3 SD card as a gift. Powered by a supercapacitor with a small lithium battery for time memory, it requires an external power source, 5V 2.5A, for operation. The LD03 records in MP4 format with H.264 video coding and supports multiple languages, with Japanese as the default. Its flexible design allows easy installation with extension cables for both cameras, and it is certified under CE, FCC, UL, and WEEE standards. Ideal for drivers seeking reliable surveillance, it provides seamless recording, GPS tracking, and safety features for enhanced driving experiences.